Daddy Dan?
And Dan.
So where are we at? We're at the party foul, right? Gonna get some Nashville Hot Chicken? Oh yeah, let's do this, okay? Daddy Dane.
And Dane.
Dan, what do you want?
I don't know.
Some hot chicken?
Chicken or skillet mac and cheese or chicken.
All right, bud, you order some chicken? Some hot chicken? Are you ready? All right, we'll check it out, okay?
Yes.
All right, we're doing some hot chicken. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're in Nashville, right?
Yeah, when I'm moving here my sophomore year.
Right. Okay, we'll talk about that later. Lila, is it hot?
They're so spicy. Lila, how are you going to eat that? It's yummy.
Lila.
Okay, hold on. Dang, what'd you get?
Oh, fries and a big boy.
That looks so good.
Nice, there's some spicy sauce. Hey, look at that. Rocky Top.
But Dad, I have to take a picture with
Okay. You are here, Music City. Oh yeah, Elvis. Beale Street and the Tennessee Stars. Daddy Dan, so we had the hot chicken. What'd you think? Was it hot?
No,
It was hot.
it wasn't.
Yeah, Nashville Hot Chicken.
It wasn't hot.
Yeah, it was good. Until next time, Daddy Dan.
And then,
Bye.